Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy and welcome to this video and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this amazing app called Decision Roulette. So let's get to it and see how it works and how useful it is. So let's assume that if we have to make a choice, right? But we have a lot of choices, or we can leave it to fate. Maybe which restaurant, we can pick a number, choose someone, like we are setting the limits as you can see. And from here, actually, before getting to know how it works, we can change the background color, we can have the start screen or special effects, result time 2 seconds for second, or when we touch it, it can be English, Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, and a lot of language is available. So let's get back clicking here and let's click here and see what's happened. So we have our predefined roulette, or we can create our own custom roulette. And let's go with the predefined roulette first. So let's see how it works. So yeah, there's a lot of things that we can use. Maybe slime challenge. I don't know. Maybe you want to make a slime that you can use it from here. It's mostly like this, but here, let's assume that you're going out, but you really couldn't decide what to eat. Maybe that could be the choice. So let's go and see. What we're gonna do, we're gonna press the center or drag quickly to make the roulette spin, and drag slowly to reposition. For example, like this. So now what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna click twice. That's what I did at least. So what we're eating today? We're eating sushi. That's what it says. Oh, no, it's burger. Let's see if it's gonna. Yeah, so today what we're eating is burger. We can share this with, for example, we're gonna go out with our friends, so we can share this clicking here with them. We can direct message, tweet, or send it to Windows, but we're not gonna do it now. So maybe if they don't believe us, no, it said this is what it said, so let's act on it. That's what we can say to our friends. So from this hamburger menu, actually, you can change the theme at the same time. Can you see? We can go with makeup, magic, pencils, love, or anything, maybe space. This is just up to us. We can edit it, but let's go back for now. And let's create a new roulette, and let's go with predefined roulettes this time too. So let's assume that we're with our friends, we're having conversations and all that, and now it's time to play the biggest game all the time, which is Truth or Dare. So let's see what kind of questions they do have there. Let's see. So let's reposition it, and this is actually, if you could change one thing about your body, what would it be? It is giving us questions in a very nice way. Like, I'm pretty sure this is not like, there are some Truth or Dare games. Like, you don't have to download another one, because here it is. You can just be using this, and you can use this app for other things at the same time. So it is amazing. So let's go back and let's click new roulette, and let's make our own custom roulette this time. So this will appear in the title. What we can write. What should we say? Let's assume we want to. There are some restaurants we want to go, and we couldn't decide. And we can put 50 options, But what we're gonna do. I'm just giving an example. Okay. All right. This first one is done. By the way, from here you can change the color or you can pick an image from gallery, which actually this would help like this. Let's assume that you want to change your profile picture, but there are like 5 pictures that you really liked and think that they can work, but you couldn't decide. You sent even your friends and they be like, oh, this one of them said something else, the other one said the other one. So you can actually use this and it would be amazing. You wouldn't even need any opinion from your friends at all. Or if there is a not a common idea that which one you should go with, yeah, you can use this. So what we're gonna do now, since we're not gonna change anything, let's click OK. We can add another option, such as, yes, I just love this thing. I love. We can add another option. I'm that person. Like I like fast food. We can go with. I think this is the way to write this, but I'm not sure that we don't have those ones in Turkey. I don't know if you realize, except for Burger King, all of them like kinda got their own colors. Um, let's assume we have a local place. Why not? That's another. Okay. All right. I think this is not even restaurants, but that's okay. We can also delete from here if we don't want it. The only thing we have to do is this. As you can see, Chick-fil-A is gone. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna click save, and now we have our own spin. So let's go. Oh, okay. Oh, we're going with our local pizza restaurant today. We have just share. We just got our results. So I actually really liked it. I don't know what you guys are thinking about it, but I want to go back and it even stays here. You can create as much as roulettes as you want. That's another good thing. And before, I want to see actually another predefined roulette because like I want to tell you which ones are there for real. We have our slime challenge, what do we eat, truth or dare, makeup challenge, which we have fill in eyeshadow, I guess blusher, contour. Maybe you're making a YouTube video but you want to make it in a fun way and you can go with this because when you're applying makeup there's some like rules. You have to be putting the primer first and stuff like that, but this thing actually could make it very nice. Like it could make everything funnier. We have our magic 8 ball. Oh, loves me. We have our numbers maybe. You can. I don't know why would you be using that, but we have our roll the die. We have rock, paper, scissors. If you don't trust your friends with your reflexes, you can go with this. We have yes or no. Pick a letter, pick a day. This one could be for example, both of us, we want to make a plan with our friends and all of us are free. But there's some, we just couldn't decide which day we should go. We can use this. We have roulette or fortune. I don't have that much money. I wouldn't be using that. And we have months here. So as you can see, this seems very fun to me. I'm pretty sure you guys might want to try it too, because it helps, especially if you're a person like me who cannot decide what they want to do or something. So I think you guys should try it out. It's gonna help you guys in a good way. It's gonna take that time that you spent thinking I should do that or that or that or that, and you'll just be using this app. So you won't be losing any time. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video and if you found it helpful, that I think it is very helpful in this way, that you will not be using your time to be thinking about it, rather than that you will just be using this app and you got your time in your pockets. You can do whatever you want with that time. So if you like this video, as I told you, go and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to go and hit that button too, so I can see you guys in my next video.